Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to reset your MacBook Air to factory settings. So step 1, click on this little Apple icon from this corner. Select System Settings. Now from this general page, scroll down to the bottom and click on Transfer or Reset. And here click on Erase All Content and Settings. This window will open up, but before it will ask you for your account, your Mac account password. Fill it or type it. Now as you see, erase all content and settings. This way, select first your account, and this will erase all settings, media, and data for all volumes on this Mac will be erased. The following items will also be removed, like your Apple account, your Touch ID, accessories connected via Bluetooth, and also Find My and Activation Log. Click on Continue. And as you see, the process is willing to start out, but I'm not looking to erase all content on this Mac, so I will stop this process. And this is how to erase all content on your Mac. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.